Hey y'all, short ribs are on the menu for tonight. Let's make them. Okay, so I've already chopped one carrot and I'm cutting up one medium onion. Just big chops. It doesn't have to be little fine chops. Just whack it off, get it in the pan. We want the pieces to be equal sizes, as close to as equal as we can get it, so that they can cook evenly. Now let's start with our marinade. We're doing a semi-dry rub for our ribs. We'll start by mincing some garlic, about 5 cloves. Now that we have our garlic minced, we can add our dry ingredients. I'll put the ingredients on the screen, and of course you can alter this based on the quantity of meat and what type of meat you have. But right now, let's put it on the screen. Okay, let's get our marinade all mixed up and then we'll apply it to our meat. I'm going to gently massage it into the meat, and if I drop a little bit into the pan, that's okay because that'll season those vegetables nicely. I covered it too fast. I have to add some water to my pan so that my meat can steam a little bit and it can make a nice gravy. Now I can recover it, and I'm going to put it in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, I'm going to make a little slurry with some flour, some water, and the rest of those seasonings. I'll add my slurry with some water because the meat is pretty much done. I just want it to be fall off the bone tender. Cover it back up.
That's open. And we got to close it.
I'm going to remove the meat and veggies out of the pan because I didn't have enough water in my pan, so I'm going to add some now and make a little gravy. Okay, now I can put the meat back in the gravy and let it steam and get nice and soft. My ribs have smothered in the gravy for about 15 minutes, and now it's time to serve our plates. We like sticky rice at our house. Don't judge us. Y'all know people had to have some hot rolls, so here we go. Let's add the hot roll and our meal is complete. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment. I always like your comments. Be blessed. Bye.